Well, good morning, my ladies and my gents. I thought I would do just a quick little how-to. You've got on this is the 1965 Revell Chevy C10 stepside pickup. This is the one I'm doing for the Pro Stock Effing Everything group build hosted by Josh at BCG Resins and Chris at Scale Speed Garage. But the truck is blue. And it comes with this, and it's a real pretty. And I wanted to show you how I wound up getting this kind of jewel look on the lettering. And it's real simple. Tamiya makes an acrylics clear colors. They got clear blue, clear green, clear yellow, clear orange, and clear red. The orange, yellow, and red are beautiful for taillights, like ones that are chrome that you have to paint, and to put it over the clear, it just gives it a jewel look. But this I'm going to show you real quick, because there's a couple of spots that I can see that I want to redo a little bit. Get a little bit of, well, there we go. Get a little bit of paint on the brush. Real simple. This is acrylic. I don't know how it works with enamel. I don't know how it works with lacquer. Work with acrylic. So, but let me get it to where I can actually see what I'm doing. I just glob it. Oh no, you got too much. I take my thumb and I wipe it off. And just like that. And it gives a real pretty and you get it on your thumb, yeah, but it washes off. And just again, real quick. And I already had one coat on, but I want to go ahead and give it a second, because just to deepen the color. And you just do that. And I'm having to look at it from over the camera to be sure, and I'm nearsighted, so. And just a little bit there and a little bit there, and you just wipe it off. And a little bit more there. Well, I did a little much wiping off. So, yeah. And see how pretty that winds up coming out. And you can do that, whichever. Well, oh, got a little extra. So we just take the thumbnail and gently scrape. Ta-da! Just a nice little, and you just do that until it's nice, it matches your. But the grill part here, the screen, comes in a. Okay, who does it? It is the set here. Model Car Garage. It is. Let me zoom this out a little bit. It's a photo etch part for detail for the 64-65 Chevy pickup. The biggest difference that I can see is the design of the fender layout. This one is the 64. This one is the 65. Other than that, they're basically the same. And it also comes with some photo etch parts for your tailgate deal. And I'm going to do something with that, because, got to do something like that. So anyway, that's all I got for this one. And so, but you can see just how much, that's the second coat, and you can see just how much that glows in the light, and how pretty that looks with the jeweled look to it. So Just a quick little. Um, I may even do something silly and put a little bit of blue paint behind the headlight lenses before I set them in to give them that blue tint light like you see on so many of these cars with the, the blue or the green headlights. I don't know, probably not. So anyway, I'm going to get back to it. I will talk to y'all next time. B Tex signing out.